I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Renault Megane third generation, produced from 2008 to 2016. This hatchback, coupe and estate model became a staple on UK roads for its stylish French design and affordable running costs. However, like many cars of its era, it has some notable weak spots that owners should watch out for. Let us start with one of the most common issues: diesel particulate filter clogs, especially in the diesel variants, which make up a large portion of these cars in the UK. The DPF system, designed to reduce emissions, often gets blocked if the car is mostly used for short urban trips, leading to warning lights and reduced performance. Regular motorway drives can help prevent this, but many owners end up spending around £500 on cleaning or replacement. Electrical wiring problems are another frequent headache for Megane owners. Faulty wiring looms can cause intermittent failures in lights, windows, and even the central locking system, often due to poor insulation or corrosion from UK weather. While the car's interior gadgets are a plus for tech-savvy drivers, these issues can lead to costly diagnostics at garages, sometimes exceeding £300. On the positive side, the Megane offers a comfortable ride with responsive handling, making it enjoyable for daily commutes around British towns. Its petrol engines, like the 1.6-litre, provide decent fuel economy of about 12 km per litre in mixed driving. However, do not overlook the turbocharged versions, which add a fun punch but come with their own reliability quirks. Suspension components wear out quicker than expected on these models, particularly the front wishbones and anti-roll bar links. Bumpy UK roads accelerate this, leading to clunking noises and uneven tyre wear after around 80,000 kilometers. Replacing these parts is straightforward and costs under £200, but ignoring them can affect the car's nimble steering feel. The automatic gearbox, especially the dual-clutch EDC in later models, has been known to hesitate or fail prematurely. This can manifest as jerky shifts or complete loss of drive, often requiring a rebuild that sets you back over £1,000. Manual transmissions are more reliable and suit those who prefer a hands-on driving experience. Rust is a sneaky problem on the Megane, particularly around the wheel arches and underbody if not properly maintained. The UK's salty winter roads exacerbate this, so regular underbody washes are essential. Despite this, the car's galvanized body holds up better than some rivals from the same period. Engine timing belts need replacement every 100,000 kilometers or 5 years, whichever comes first, to avoid catastrophic failure. This is a standard maintenance item costing around £400 at a specialist. The diesel engines are praised for their torque, delivering strong pulling power for overtaking on A roads. Interior quality has mixed reviews. The plastics can feel cheap and rattle over time, but the cabin is spacious for a family of 4. Features like climate control and Bluetooth in higher trims add modern appeal. However, dashboard warning lights often flicker due to sensor faults, which can be frustrating but usually inexpensive to fix. Brake discs and pads wear out faster in stop-start city driving, common in places like London. Expect to replace them every 40,000 kilometers at a cost of about £150. The braking system is effective, providing confident stops even when loaded. Fuel injectors in diesel models can clog, leading to rough idling and increased emissions. This is often linked to poor fuel quality, so sticking to reputable UK stations helps. Repairs might run to £300 per injector, but the engines are otherwise efficient, achieving up to 15 km per litre on highways. The Megane's styling turns heads with its bold lines and optional alloy wheels, making it a standout in supermarket car parks. However, paint chipping on the bumpers is common from stone chips on motorways. Resprays can cost £200, but the overall design ages well. Air conditioning systems sometimes fail due to compressor issues, leaving you sweaty on hot summer days. This affects comfort, especially in the UK's unpredictable weather. Fixing it typically costs £400, but when working, it keeps the cabin cool efficiently. Turbo failures plague the 1.5 DCI diesel engines, often from oil starvation if services are skipped. Symptoms include loss of power and blue smoke, with repairs exceeding £800. Yet, when maintained, these turbos provide spirited performance without guzzling fuel. Exhaust gas recirculation valves, or EGRs, are prone to carbon buildup, causing sluggish acceleration. Cleaning or replacing them every 60,000 kilometers prevents bigger issues. This ties into the car's eco-friendly credentials, meeting Euro 5 standards. The Megane offers good value on the used market, with prices starting from £2,000 for a high-mileage example up to £6,000 for a well-kept one. Its boot space in the estate version is generous at over 400 liters, ideal for family holidays. However, check for water leaks in the boot from faulty seals. Steering rack problems can arise, leading to heavy or notchy steering. This is more common in models with over 100,000 kilometers. Repairs cost around £500, but the power steering is otherwise precise and engaging. Battery drain from faulty alternators or parasitic draws is reported by some owners. This leaves you stranded, especially in cold UK winters. A new alternator might set you back £300, but the car's electrics support modern accessories well. On the upside, the safety features like multiple airbags and ABS earned it a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. It protects occupants well in crashes, a big plus for family buyers. However, electronic stability control can sometimes glitch, requiring a software update. Clutch wear in manual models is accelerated by urban driving, with replacements needed every 70,000 kilometers. This costs about £400 including labor. The gearbox feels smooth, enhancing the driving pleasure. Headlight bulbs burn out frequently due to the design, and accessing them is fiddly. LED upgrades are popular, but check legality in the UK. The lights provide good visibility on dark country lanes. The infotainment system in top-spec models includes Sat-Nav, which is intuitive for UK routes. However, software bugs can cause freezes, fixed by updates at dealerships. It integrates well with phones for hands-free calls. Wheel bearings hum after 50,000 kilometers, a sign of wear from potholed roads. Replacement is inexpensive at £100 per side. The car's handling remains composed, thanks to a well-tuned chassis. In conclusion, the Renault Megane third generation suits budget-conscious drivers who enjoy a stylish, practical hatchback and are prepared for regular maintenance, particularly on diesels. It is ideal for young families or commuters in the UK who value economy over ultimate reliability, but avoid it if you dislike frequent garage visits. Overall, with proper care, it can be a rewarding ownership experience. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.